Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the electrical system safe. Disconnect the battery negative terminal and wait about 2 minutes so the airbag modules reset. Once done, slide the seat fully rearward to access the rear mounting bolts, then tilt the seat forward slightly to reveal connectors under the cushion. Make sure to reach under and unplug any wiring harnesses first. Removing electrical plugs later can damage clips. Now remove the 2 rear bolts and keep them organized for reinstallation. You support the seat while loosening the front bolts so it doesn't tip forward. One person helps here. Once the front bolts are out, lift the front edge slightly to clear the rail stops and slide the seat rearward to free it from the guide tabs. If the seat has locking sliders, press release levers as you lift. Make sure to label and bag each bolt and trim fastener as you remove them, because the rails and guide pins must align on reinstallation. You now maneuver the seat out of the vehicle, rotating and angling it to avoid snagging trim. Protect upholstery with a blanket. Before reinstalling, inspect seat foam, bolts, and wiring for wear. Refit in reverse order. Slide onto rails, align guide tabs, hand thread bolts, then torque to factory specs. Only reconnect the battery after confirming all plugs are secure. If the airbag or seatbelt warning lights persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.